Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the hair oil that helped me to break my hair growth plateau. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient, also the main base of this oil, is going to be henna powder. When it comes to henna, it helps to improve follicle health. Also, it helps to curb hair fall, and it prevents and corrects hair thinning. So when it comes to the rest of the ingredients, I'm just going to add the name of the ingredients on the screen. It's just easier that way because this clip was like almost an hour long and I had to do a lot of editing to shorten this clip. I didn't want the video to be super long, but if you guys want the full ingredients list, then you can head over to my website, creolelily.com. This oil is my henna rosemary nourishing hair and scalp oil. So this oil is available for purchase if you guys also are interested in purchasing this oil. Another reason for making this video is because I do get asked questions like, do I use all these ingredients in my oil? And I'm here to show you guys that I actually do. This oil alone has over 60 herbs in it. I'm just going to show you guys me making a smaller batch of this oil. Normally I make it in bigger batches, but it was just easier to film it this way. So when it comes to this oil, this is the extra strength formula that helps to promote hair growth. It also helps to penetrate the scalp and assist in hair follicle health. It also helps to curb hair fall, preventing and correcting hair thinning. It also helps to improve hair problems such as breakage, length retention, and stagnant hair growth. And some of the ingredients that are included in this hair oil, which is rosemary, which is the second main ingredient. I use rosemary leaves as well as rosemary essential oil. And rosemary helps to improve hair thickness and growth. It also has the ability to improve cellular generation. Also included in this hair oil is bringrage. Bringrage is a natural remedy for hair regrowth due to its soothing properties of improving blood flow and nutrients to the scalp. It also helps to strengthen the hair roots and prevent hair loss. Also, you can find amla. Amla is a potent antioxidant that looks after the overall scalp health by removing dandruff and dissolving grease and dirt from follicles. And it also helps to promote hair thickness and strengthen the hair strands, and also helps with tightening up hair coils / curly hair. There's also calendula, which helps to moisturize and restore hair strands. There is red clover, which helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. There is hops flowers, which helps to reduce hair fall. There is marshmallow root, which helps to moisturize and soften the hair. There's dandelion root, which helps to detoxify the scalp. And there's also rosehip, which helps to renew hair follicles. So after adding all my ingredients into the bowl, then I'm just going to mix everything together, and then I'm going to be adding my carrier oils. So the carrier oils include apricot oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, and also avocado oil. So after I've added all my carrier oils, then I'm just going to allow the oil to infuse for about 3 to 4 weeks. If I already have like pre-made oils, then I'll allow the oil to infuse longer than that. So once the oil has finished infusing, then I'll go ahead and add my additional ingredients to the oil, which include biotin as well as essential oils and also vitamin E oil. And the essential oils that are included in the oil are peppermint, lavender, ginger, anise oil, spearmint oil, jasmine oil, orange oil, rose oil, as well as lang oil and rosemary essential oil. So here is a batch of oil that has already finished infusing, and I've already strained as well as added the other ingredients into it as well. And now it just has to be bottled up, and then the labels have to be placed onto the bottles.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly.
You can use this hair oil as a hot oil treatment. So before shampooing your hair, you'll just add a generous amount of oil to your hair and scalp and just massage it in, and then cover your hair with a plastic cap. And then you want to sit under a hooded blow dryer or use a heating cap or steamer or also a warm towel, and let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then you can go ahead and go into your wash day routine. I also have shampoo and conditioner on my website, and a moisturizing cream as well as a hair butter if you're interested. So you can use this hair oil in your pre-poo treatment. So in this video, I am using a pre-poo treatment that contains fenugreek as well as shea butter. So I just added some of the henna rosemary oil to it. And also in another clip, I used avocado for my pre-poo treatment, and I also added the oil into it. And I just let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I went ahead and rinsed it out, and then followed up with my shampoo and conditioner, which is also on my website as well. Also, I have full videos to these clips, so if you guys want to check out the full videos, I'll leave them linked down in the description box as well. And also, you can use this oil as a scalp and hair oil. So all you have to do is just apply the oil to your scalp using that applicator tip and just massage it into your hair, and there's no need to rinse it out afterwards. Also, you can use this hair oil daily, or you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. If for dry, unmanageable hair, it's recommended to use every night, and it's very important to massage the scalp when applying the product to your scalp because it helps to increase the blood circulation, which causes the pores to open and absorb the essential oils. Also, this hair oil is great if you're about to go into a protective style. It helps to keep your hair moisturized for a long period of time, so you don't have to worry about your hair drying out while it's in a protective style. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.